Come test drive this 2018 Ford Explorer. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated steering wheel, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and leather upholstery. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.